satellite that Jim was talking about, and he's absolutely or Haiti, primarily because of the potential for flash floods and mudslides